Hello, little learners. Today we will learn about comparative and superlative words.
Yeah.
Comparative words compare two things.
Okay.
Superlative words compare three or more things.
Okay.
Let's learn together.
Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Tall, taller, tallest. Zebra is tall. Camel is taller. And giraffe is tallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Bike is fast. Car is faster than bike. And jet is fastest than bike. Slow, slower, slowest. Turtle is slow. Snail is slower than turtle. And sloth is slowest than turtle. Small, smaller, smallest. Cat is small. Mouse is smaller than cat. Ladybug is smallest than cat. Long, longer, longest. Rope is long. Snake is longer than rope. And train is longest than rope. Short, shorter, shortest. Pencil is short. Crayon is shorter than pencil. And eraser is shortest than pencil. Strong, stronger, strongest. Baby is strong. Boy is stronger than baby. And man is strongest than baby. Bright, brighter, brightest. Lamp is bright. Torch is brighter. And sun is brightest than lamp. Big, bigger, biggest. Car is big. Truck is bigger. And bus is biggest than car. High, higher, highest. Hill is high than hill. Mountain is higher. And Everest is highest than hill. Quick review. Big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Small, smaller, smallest. Happy, happier, happiest. Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.